Hi everyone, welcome back. So as you can see in this pipeline here, it's like set up the environment, run the unit test, and data validation. We have seen it last time. I mean, all of these processes we have seen it last time. And in today's video, we'll focus on training process. So after validating the data, so we have, let's see, uploading a data set, images data set, and now we need, before the going to the training phase, before the, let's see, crashing the training, we need to test if the data is valid. So let me just go to the data validation for the training. Before that, and here's this is the pipeline. I'm adding every stage. Yeah, by the way, it's stages here, and you can see if anyone is broken, so you can fix and just run the let's see the broken one. So you don't need to rerun everything from scratch. What you already, let's see, has a problem, you just fix and you can run if it's not triggered automatically. And here, for instance, we are focusing now on the training model. So as you can see, I have add a template, and just to make the pipeline is short and let's say more clean. And they have create pipeline template pipelines, and we can see now in the pipeline, the training pipeline, and here this is our pipeline. It's a command, CLI command, and we have here the subscription variable. I mean the Azure subscription, and also we have the variables. It's already defined in the main pipeline here. Now let me just close this. Now you can see here I have this file is job and training job, and here the resource group. I mean resource group and workspace. And this is let's see more interesting. Why is that? Because let's say you are training the model, and after training the model, you need to validate the model. And without this stream, it will just let's see how is it working? This command, it's just creating a job. Let's see, preparing the job, and it will be running in the background. And if you without this stream, it will exit. I mean, if it will prepare let's say the environment and exit the stuff, and the job creation will be running on the background. And if you use this model after after before, let's see, generating the model, it will give you error. Now we force we force the system to stop, not to stop. Let's see, to be in this process until it's finished, and after that we can, let's see, use it somewhere else. Now let's just see the training the jobs, and we have to find to see the training jobs. Let's see here, this is our job, and let's go step by step. I would also to show you let's see after that. So here, this is the name of the training. So unfortunately it has to be unique. So if you rerun this, you have to give another name. And by default, the Azure ML, it generate a random name, and it will save you maybe time. Sometimes it, let's see, it's crashed and we need to rerun this. And now this is a description display name. It will be displaying. I will show you now. And this is the experiment name now. Experiment. It has the a job inside. So, and the source code, the code, it's inside the source, which is in our case this one here, source. And I'm activating the environment. What is the environment here? The environment I have already uploaded. Let's generated or created. You can see here I have, this is the environment, and this is generated by Microsoft, and this is generated by me. And you can see this is succeeded, and you can see the context is Docker file and Anaconda file or YAML file. Now let's be back to this. Now I will run this training. I have already shown you last time when I run it. I train it. I mean, run it in my PC, local PC. So you can see now this is the train file, which is, I can also show you. So this is the same file I have trained last time in my PC, just to make sure that everything is running correctly. And with the train, no, I need a job. Let's see, this is job. And here, this is the environment. And where's the data here? The data is taken from the data I have uploaded the images, which is like in this data here, you can see this is our data anomaly images, and this is the anomaly images and version 1. You can just copy this file, this name, and it will have access to everything. Now the compute, of course, we need to run this in a computer, or let's say a machine. We have defined it as this one here. Everything, I mean, everything is already defined, let's see, in the previous videos. And here, this is the most important stuff. This command, or this lines here, it took me, this error here, it took me 3 hours. So because Microsoft is always changing the making changes in the code. And when I use CLI version 2, it's already in, let's see which version now. If you see now, which is just to show you what is the latest the latest version. So you can see it's CLI 75. So everything now is they changed many things here. And when you see here, yeah, I would like also to show you the YAML file, which is, this is a version 2, and also here something the same, I think, but I don't know why. So you can see this is the YAML file that we have created our job. This one here. Why it's closed? This file here, it has to be identical, not identical, but you can see here this schema, type, the name, display name, experiments name, and environment code, everything. I mean, I have included what I really need. And after the training, we will see what's happening. So let me just see now the pipeline. Hopefully it's running without any issues. Yeah, so this what yeah, so now it's finishing the validation. Now it will do the training. So once the training is finished, I can just show you the result. So instead of wasting time, so let me just pause the video. Okay, so as you can see here, the training process is already completed, and it took 14 minutes. And why it took 14 minutes? Because I have added this with the training here. The training was using the stream, and without a stream, it will, of course, it will show you the 14 minutes, but it won't stay in this job without a stream. And let's see what is the output here. And you can see, let me just go to the jobs. I have, this is for the environment, this is for the validation, and this is for the training. And if you go to the training pipeline, it was completed. You can see completed, and it has created on this time 5 minutes. Okay, why it's 5 minutes, and compute duration is 5 minutes. Yeah, this is the name of the this job. Why it's this here? Because I have identified in this file here, in the training job. I have, can see, training anoma vision. And okay, so you can see here now I have the, but if you see here, the model is not registered in the models here. So now we need to register either from here. You can just see from the output of the job, if you can see here, and you can see this is the data that we have. I mean, this is the job that we have created for the training, but I need to do it in the CLI pipeline. I mean, CI/CD pipeline. And you can see, let's go to the jobs again, and this is complete. You can see here now the output of this, but now we need to, this is the output of the model. You can see it's Onyx model. It has to be Onyx. If you go to the data workspace, and it should be in Azure training model output, and you can see pattern model, Onyx model. But I mean, see, it's a long journey just to get the model, right? So we need to register our model in this models here, and after that we can use endpoint, or maybe you can download it and create, let's see, use I mean use fast API with the Docker image and register it in a registry, and we will see all of this. But in the next step, we will see how to register our model in this models. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Please, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and also add comments if you have any question. Thanks for watching.